I was always the small kid. Not big enough to get on theme park rides. Not strong enough to play contact sports. I applied for National League basketball. Come back when you've grown in a couple of years, kid. I wanted to row for my school. You're too small, stick to coxing. It's all the same. I've always been drawn to things in life where you have to be genetically gifted with height or size. Well, I no longer accept the excuse that I wasn't born to do this, or that it's too difficult, or that it's not the right time. Realize that you have the potential to achieve what you desire through hard work, dedication, commitment, positivity, and tactical, intelligent thinking. Delta Physique has been created to help you achieve what others have told you isn't possible. To reach a place where you're happy every single day and excited by the things that you have achieved and excited by the things that you want to achieve. Figure out what it is that you desire. Figure out how much you really want it. Figure out what you need to do to get there. Figure out how you will make the time to do what you need to do. Figure out that it is as simple as getting off your ass and doing what needs to be done, because nothing great ever happened from saying I wish, but instead saying I will. Success is at the end of a long, bumpy, and sometimes terrifying road. But greatness is out there. You just need to identify where, and we can guide you. If you figure out that a change in your body, your physique, your mentality is what you're aiming for, then allow Delta Physique to help. Visit our website today and join the Delta Triad, a Facebook group of like-minded people reaching new peaks daily. Make a change. Delta.